looking things in this door right here. The door's hard to get open, but just bear with me while I go in. They're white, about this tall, and walk on their wings. Not sure what they are. If the fucking mom flies out, you better get this shit on camera. Oh my god, they're right in the door. Get it on camera, get it on camera.
Holy fuck, they're chickens. No,
Not
they're
chickens,
bigger than
dude.
chickens. I can't see it, hold on.
Get in there, go.
Go in there, Billy.
They're scared of you.
Look, they're scared of you. Oh my god.
Oh shit.
Give me the camera, give me the camera.
What is this? Holy fucking big chickens. They're big ass chickens, dude.
Dude, what the fuck?
Look at that.
That smells red.
You're an asshole. It's too dark.
Next to the play button. Or set the shutter speed. And the iris. Play with them.
Where are they?
In the corner.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Here, let me see the camera.
I'm not on.
You can edit all this talking out, right?
I don't know if I want to edit out like this.
See?
Nah, that's not good, dude. It's too dark. Maybe like the.
Maybe I can prod at him. Here, get this on camera.
Here, get this stick. Oh my god. Where are they, in the corner?
Yeah.
Right in there.
Oh, that corner.
Film me.
Yo, come on.
I don't have like good.
Get closer to the
I don't have good colors right now.
Oh shit.
Alright, Jake. I don't have colors at all. I can't even
Get
see.
this hissing on camera. They're fucking pissed. Alright, we just got out of here and
Oh, baby.
they're looking like they're pretty fucking angry. I hope you can hear it on the camera, but they're hissing and
That's not.
I was in there. I was up all the way against them, poking at them with a stick.
That is not like any bird I've ever seen, dude.
I know. And like I said, they're about 2 feet tall, walking around, kind of on their wings, on their feet, moving around, just doing that shit. I mean, and yeah. So. Oh shit, dude! Oh my god! They're everywhere! Oh my god!
Dude, I saw like 5 fly in. Shut that door.
Holy shit! They're trying to get in. Film it. Gotcha.
Dude, Jake, put the tire in front.
I'm trying. Holy shit.
Are we good?
You got them locked.
Here, put this other tire in front of it.
It just flew in from everywhere, dude. Oh my God. Holy shit. That was fucking creepy.
You wanna go home?
Oh no, I think I'm gonna look up here. So, we just got done looking through all these rafters for anything that looks suspicious. Stuff tried flying in at me. Tried to protect whatever the hell was in there. There were 2 big things that flew in. So there's 4 things in there. We don't know what they are. They're white and they have fur. They're not even feathers. They're furry. And we've been seeing these things. They're not vultures. They're not chickens. They're not hawks. We've looked at all this stuff online. Looks nothing like any of them. We need some help. If you guys have any answers to what they could be, hit us up. Peace.